channel. Welcome back everyone. Good morning and happy new week to you all. Guys, I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all my old subscribers for your massive support. Thank you all, I appreciate. And if you are new to this channel, I am Julia Chinyere, a Nigerian final year pharmaceutical technology student. You are highly welcome to my channel, and I am happy to have you as part of my community. Please do well to watch my videos to the end, comment, like and subscribe. Thank you all. So guys, this is a new week. Today is Monday and I am on my way trekking down to school. I'm already in school, so I'm trekking down to my lecture hall now. So I have about 4 classes today, 1 theory and 3 practicals. So we'll be having our theory class first thing this morning at 8 a.m. then the remaining 2 practicals. So after theory class here, I'll be moving down to the lab for the practicals. So guys, and lastly, the final thing I'm going to be doing today is to go and feed my albino rats. Yeah, currently I am working on my final year project practical. I've started my practical, so I have to be training my lab animal that I'll be using for my analysis to run the test for the medicinal plant extract that I'm working with. So I need to feed those lab animal for about 4 weeks, which is 1 month. They are albino rats. So I started feeding them last week, and the feeding is almost every day. I need to go change their water and drinks, clean up where they are. So after class today, I'm gonna be going down to the lab where I kept them to feed them and do the rest of the things. So you guys should stay tuned so that you walk me through. Let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, you know that I'm just respecting people's privacy. That's why I don't. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Confidence. Hi, good morning. Sometimes eating today.
Morning.
Yeah, eating this morning.
Yes, so I do my medicine. How are you? What time did you go home yesterday?
Fine. Alright. How far? Good morning. You don't have to collect some money. Good morning, guys. That's the only I don't get money to spend now. I got that messy on me. Come out.
Bye.